Today we are doing an unboxing of our newest appliance. It is a DeLonghi Livenza All Day Grill. Okay, thanks to Santa Claus, we picked up ourselves a DeLonghi Livenza All Day Flex Press Grill. It's an upscale griddle, griller, all kinds of things you'll see. And I have to thank Booger 500 US because she did a steak on hers one night, and I said I got to have one of those. So I told Santa Claus. So we're going to do an unboxing. Now, this thing is really heavy, and I'm hoping it's not as big as the box, because we don't have a lot of space here, do we?
No, we don't.
Oh, is it upside down?
But that's the top of the box.
Yeah.
Oh, that upside down.
Yeah. Well, I planned on sliding it out, so yeah. Oh. So I've got the instruction manual. We got some kind of garden rake here. Actually, it's a scraper cleaner. I'll get those over here. Up here is the removable plates that supposedly are dishwasher safe. And it comes with here's the, I guess it's going to come with two sets of plates. It's going to come with some flat ones and these ones that look like griddles. Well, there that is, and you can actually throw these in the dishwasher.
Wow, even with those electrical prongs.
Yeah,
huh?
yeah.
That's something.
I guess they're sealed and waterproof. I'll put these on the other side of the room here.
That's probably the heaviest part of that thing.
Well, I imagine the DeLonghi Livenza. Got a grease tray. I know from watching Booger's video that the grease tray goes in the back, which I think is kind of awkward, but we'll see. Oops, am I getting ready to knock something over? Just a chair?
I think you just did.
All right, I got the box.
Timber.
There we go.
There we go.
All right. This thing also opens up fully as if it were one large double-sized flat grill, I think.
Yeah, it
think
said something in
that's-
the box about it floats or something.
Well, yeah, like a panini press. All right, let's see. I think it's locked. Yeah, there's a little lock over here. You can come around here. There's a lock right here. So now I can lift this up.
Oh, cool. Wow, made a noise.
Yeah,
Does it have different stops on it? Is
it
that
does.
why it's
Apparently it
clicking?
does. Yeah. Broil grill. Huh, there's there's only one knob over here that you got to mess with. Barbecue mode.
Well, it didn't click that time.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, that's it.
So yeah, because once you started working with your food, you don't need it to click in place. But let's see. And then here's the floaty part.
Oh, so it just rotates?
Yeah. Well, like if you got something thick in the back, this is gonna flatten out.
Oh, so it does it itself. You don't set it that way.
Yeah, it floats on its own. And it just everything locks once you.
So it's got the flat ones, the flat surfaces on it.
I don't know what that does. Oh, that's your.
That's
Oh,
your
that's the lock. Okay. That's the first one I opened. So, and then the flat griddles. So let's see. And then this little switch here for barbecue mode. They call it barbecue mode, but you're really just laying it flat.
Making a big griddle.
Yeah, they should call it griddle mode. Mm-hmm. And then here's the plates, I guess, come off this way.
You may want to read the instructions.
Oh no, we're not gonna do that. Here's a button. Let's push that. Oh, that's just the thing. All right.
So it does just lift up if it's just tight.
I hope that's all it was. So maybe gravity was working against me there.
Turn it over again.
Turn it over again. Oh.
Yeah, I missed part of it. Just cut out there's that little latch at the bottom.
Oh yeah. Little
Okay.
catch. Yeah. So then this goes into that socket.
Maybe lift it up. There you go. So it slides in under there. And then slide it in.
Jeez. Let's do the other one. Yeah, I've got my tape measure here. Let's see how this guy's about well, the footprint's about 15 inches across.
Mm-hmm.
About 11. But then when you add in the width of all that, you're at 19.
That's
Right,
pretty big.
It's a lot wider than our old George Foreman, but
Yeah. Well, it does a lot more than the old George Foreman too. That thing
well,
was
we have
about
an
15 years old.
LCD display here. You've got this is cool because that button says sear, so you turn your griddle on, and then if you hit the sear, the LCD will show that you've cranked up the heat on that one half, I guess,
Huh.
or the other half. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Got a waffle setting, but we don't have the waffler plates. You have to buy the waffler plates separate, and they're about like 79 bucks, 80 bucks for the waffle plates. I don't think we're going to do that though.
Yeah, we have a waffle iron, and you said the waffle plates are much smaller than this whole top of this.
Yeah, the actual part that you pour dough in or batter is is only so square. So they seem kind of wasteful, but so anyway, there's the DeLonghi Livenza All Day Griddler thing. I don't know what the first thing we're going to cook on this is, but we will film it. Okay, so thanks for watching the unboxing, and stay tuned for actually using it video.